Are you facing the "Sorry, flash to this stable version is not allowed" message on your Xiaomi phone? In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now search System UI. Here it is. Tap on it. Now, if you look to the bottom, you will see the option called Clear Cache. Tap on it. Then tap OK. Now go back. This time on System UI plugin, tap on Clear Data from the bottom. Then tap Clear All Data. Next, tap OK. Go back. Now search Updater. Tap on it. Now tap Clear Data from the bottom. Then tap Clear All Data. Next, tap OK. After that, restart your device. And that's it. Hope your issue is solved now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.